Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to create different patterns in Adobe Illustrator using Adobe Illustrator. This is our class 2. So let's go. We create a new page by pressing Ctrl N. Then we create a rectangle. Then we take rectangle tool and create a rectangle like this. And then we rotate by pressing Shift and rotate easily and put it left corner of the page of our output. This is very easy. Then we give a black color to him and then rotate easily. Then we duplicate by pressing Ctrl D and repeat downwards. This is second tutorial of our page. Then repeat by Ctrl D downward and repeat all over the artboard. Repeat all over the artboard and just create a pattern like this. It is very easy to use. Then we create a new pattern. Firstly, we create new page by pressing Ctrl N. Then Ctrl N and select any page. Then we click OK and again take a triangle. Then put it small and select this. Then shift Ctrl change it and increase its stroke. Then we repeat by Ctrl D. Again repeat downward like before and put it all over the artboard. Again repeat it. Then we create a new pattern. Again take a new page and create this rectangle. Again then take it again small down and create another pattern. This is very easy and we create easily another box. Then take a copy of it and change it inside. Then give a black color and repeat all over the artboard. Simply repeat downward and copy all over the artboard. This is very easy. Hope you like the video. Like, comment and share.